Hi, my name is Beth and I am here to share my review on the Tick Check Tick Remover tool. It is a 3-pack and we've used them a few times and really like them. It makes removing ticks a whole lot easier and quicker. Dogs don't generally like it or sit still very long for you to get it out properly, so these tools are super convenient. They're based on size of the tick, type of tick. You just stick it right under the head, pull back, and the ones we removed, they kind of just stay right in the crack and you can dispose of them very easily. It does come with a tick identification card as well and instructions, super easy, right on the back of the packaging. And then you do have instructions. If you do get bit by a tick, you can mail it in for testing for Lyme's. I have not checked into that part, but really nice to have that information and a place that you could have the tick checked.
I purchased this Tick Check Tick Remover and my daughter and I wanted to tell you all about it. It comes in a 3-pack. There is a large, a small, and a medium one. Depends on what size tick is on you. My daughter has experienced 3 tick issues so far this summer within the last 2 weeks, and I knew we needed something better than tweezers. Let me show you what these look like. Here they are in 3 different sizes. This is the large, the medium, and the small. As you can see, they have a little hook feature. And all you do is take it, put it on your skin or on possibly a dog, wherever the tick is embedded. You slide it onto the tick, pull it, and you should be good to go. Let me show you how this looks on my daughter's skin. Here's my 7-year-old daughter who has experienced many ticks this summer. She's going to show you just how easy it is even for a child to do it. She takes it, she can slide it over the tick and pull it off. Very easy. What's really cool about this is not only do you get these 3 plastic tick removers in the package, but the package also comes with a tick identifier. It tells you what a female adult deer tick looks like, what the nymph looks like, as well as the Lone Star tick and the American dog tick. For people who, don't really know what to look for, this really comes in handy. I know I absolutely need it. I really don't know what I'm looking for when it comes to ticks. So this identifier has really helped us. So if you're looking for something to help you this summer with ticks, removing them off a dog, off yourself, off your child.
The first time last night to pull a tick off one of our dogs, and let me just show you exactly what you get. Basically it's a 3-pack and they're sized differently. Basically if you have like big old bloated deer ticks, you use the big one. This is the medium one that I used for a tick that was just barely biting under, wasn't all bloated and big. And then this is the small one. The super small mini ticks are hard to see, as you know. They're like the size of a pinhead or whatever. But anyway, what you do, I'll use the big one as a demonstration, is you come in kind of underneath the tick. And on the dog, I had to kind of, like pick at the tick a little bit to get it to almost like stand up and get up so I could come under. And then in this little slot right here, there's like a little, V, you get down toward the end and basically you can tug just the slightest amount and you end up tugging on the tick, but the mandible or the teeth or whatever they use to bite you and suck your juice out is on the other side. So I just twisted a little bit really slowly and tugged on it and the tick let go. That's a good situation. If it's all embedded in there, you got to pull more and you got to be patient with it. There are all those other methods of getting ticks out, like Vaseline and matches and stuff. From what I've read, these are the safest and most effective. Again, you get 3 of them. And I ended up ordering one for like the truck, one for the car, one for the house. The design is really similar to other brands out there. There's like little instructions on here, so I just keep it in the pack. So if anyone's using these in the family who hasn't used one before, they know what's going on. And the design is plastic, you know? It's not like it's metal or something, but dude, they definitely get the job done for pulling.
Hi, my name is Beth, and I am here to share my review on the Tick Check Tick Remover tool. It's a 3-pack, and they obviously are different sizes depending on the different types of ticks, which it does come with a tick identification card, which is super handy. It gives you instructions on the back of the package, and also if you get bitten by a tick, you can have it tested for Lyme's, which I thought was pretty cool. I have not looked into that yet, but I will if need be. Super easy tool. We've used them on our dogs. We do have a cabin up north, so we're surrounded by the woods. They get an occasional tick or 2 here and there, so removal is not fun. But these handy tools have made it far less chaotic with the dog, and I'm just not a fan of ticks. So super easy. You just stick it underneath the head and kind of tilt it backwards, and it comes out. Super easy. Absolutely love these for what we use them for. Thank you.
Family and our furry friends over the past few months. If you ever had to deal with ticks, you know how stressful and tricky it could be to remove them safely. This kit has completely changed the game, making the process simple, effective, and safe for both humans and pets. The set includes 3 different tick remover tools designed for different sizes of tick, plus a handy tick identification card. The tools are lightweight, durable, and ergonomically designed, ensuring a secure grip while removing ticks. Whether it's a tiny nymph or a pet or a large tick after a hike, this set has the perfect tool for the job. I personally use it on my cat and even on myself after outdoor adventures, and it's worked flawlessly every time. What makes this kit even more special is the tick identification card. It's small enough to fit in your wallet and includes a guide to identifying tick species, which helps you assess any potential risks. It also has a built-in magnifying glass to inspect ticks closely, giving you peace of mind in case you need to consult a vet or doctor. The tools are incredibly easy to use. Simply slide the tool under the tick, twist, and pull it out cleanly without leaving parts behind. This eliminates the risk of infection and ensures the tick is removed intact. Plus, the plastic design is easy to sanitize, so you can reuse the tools without any hassle. Since I started using this kit, I feel much more confident prepared during outdoor trips or even just time spent in my backyard. It's compact enough to fit in a first aid or backpack, making it a perfect companion for hikes, camping, or any outdoor activities. For pet owners especially, this kit is a must-have to protect your furry companions from tick-borne illnesses. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly, and a compact tick removal solution, the Tick Check Tick Remover Value 3-pack is a no-brainer. It's affordable, effective, and gives you a peace of mind knowing you're prepared to handle any tick situation with ease.